This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable pastry bags, specifically the Pastry Tek clear plastic piping bags. They're 18 inches in length. They come in a 100-count pack. And they are biodegradable and compostable, meaning that you have a more nature-friendly cleanup. And working in pastry and specifically cakes, it's not necessarily the most environmentally friendly profession. So I always love to find products like this where we're making less of an impact and being a little more eco-friendly, especially when we're using disposable items. So that's a great plus. In addition to that, they're really durable. So they're great for heavy use. Say if you're going to pipe a whole bunch of cupcakes, maybe a couple hundred, but also great for heavier items. So sometimes we'll do things like piped batters for cookies or pâte à choux or other pastries. And that thicker batter on a poor quality bag might start busting the seams and giving you some problems. It also has a nice surface to it, right? So it's kind of slip resistant, meaning when you're grabbing onto it and you're squeezing, you should have a nice grip, and that'll help cut down on mistakes. The big size is probably one of the best pluses for me. They can be cut down to do smaller jobs or even ordered in smaller sizes. And it means they're going to be versatile for larger products. We do a lot of things where we make hundreds of cupcakes at a time, and it's just nice to have a large size bag that you don't have to refill as often. They can be used just the bag itself by cutting the end into whatever shape you want and just piping away, or you can use them with couplers and tips or just large pastry tips. So these are a versatile thing to have on hand in a restaurant, bakery, or cafe if you're looking to do some decorative piping and details. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.